Good afternoon. My name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. And this week's tip for preparing your home to sell involves having the HVAC system professionally cleaned and serviced before putting your home on the market. Okay, and here's why. Let's say you're selling a home that's about 20 years old and it's an entry-level home with some first-time home buyers. Okay, a lot of those first-time home buyers, they'll go into the property and they'll fall in love with the property. Okay, but before they make an offer, they want to have their parents come over and look at the property before making an offer. Okay, so here come the parents. Dad, the deal killer, what he immediately does is goes downstairs to the furnace room. Okay, and the furnace, let's say, is 15 years old. And now the dad all of a sudden is a furnace expert, and he says the furnace needs to be replaced. Okay, one way to avoid that is to have an HVAC company come out and clean and service the furnace. So when Dad, the deal killer, goes downstairs, when he gets to the furnace room, he's going to see a nice shiny sticker on the furnace saying the last time it was cleaned and serviced. Okay? So if you have any questions about putting your home on the market, feel free to leave a comment below or give me a call. My name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.